Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried ravioli. Let's get started. We'll first blanch the spinach, so for that take some water, bring it to a boil and add around 200 gram washed and cleaned spinach. Boil for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, immediately remove the spinach and drop it into ice cold water. So fill your bowl with some water, add ice cubes and drop the spinach. Let the spinach sit for 5 minutes. Instead of blanching, you may also steam the spinach. After steaming or blanching, remove the excess liquid. After blanching, the next step is to finely chop the spinach. So make sure you finely chop the spinach. If you do not chop it finely, it would be difficult for you to place them in the ravioli. After chopping the spinach, transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. To make the dough, take 1½ cup all-purpose flour, that is maida. Add a little salt. You can also replace maida with whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा. Mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon ghee. After adding ghee, mix the flour, that is maida and ghee well. Like I mentioned, you can also use whole wheat flour, that is your regular गेहूं का आटा in this recipe. Now add water and make a medium soft dough. Keep kneading the dough till it comes together. After the dough comes together, apply some oil. After applying some oil, cover the dough with a plate or a cloth and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Setting makes sure that the dough becomes nice and smooth. For the stuffing, take the chopped spinach, add 1 cube grated processed cheese or your favorite cheese, ½ teaspoon chili flakes, ½ teaspoon mixed Italian herbs or pizza or pasta seasoning, whatever is available to you, a little salt, 2 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Mix well. If you do not have these herbs, you can replace these with your regular haldi, lal mirch and masala. That will also work in this recipe. Our stuffing is ready. For coating, we need 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour. Add a little salt, add water and make a batter of medium consistency. If you want, you can fry your ravioli without coating them in this batter and cornflakes. You can directly fry them, but I am going to coat them. For crumb coating, I am going to use cornflakes, crushed cornflakes. You can also use breadcrumbs. The dough has been resting and now I'm going to knead it for another minute. After resting the dough and then kneading it for a minute or so would make it really nice and smooth. Divide the dough into 2 portions, 2 equal sized portions. Now out of these portions we are going to make 2 rectangular sheets. To make the 2 rectangular sheets, roll one portion first into a round sheet, a thick round sheet, and fold it the way I am doing on 2 sides. And now start rolling the rectangle. Make sure you maintain the rectangular shape while rolling. So roll it into a thin rectangular sheet. Similarly, make the second rectangular sheet. Now place some stuffing, keeping some distance. Apply some water using a silicone brush as shown. Apply it in the middle, on the sides. In between like this. This would help the second rectangular sheet stick on this one. After placing the second rectangular sheet, make sure you press each portion like this, each ravioli like this. Take a pizza cutter or a knife and remove the excess. Cut small rectangular or square shaped ravioli. Separate the ravioli from each other. You may further remove the excess side if you see any, and then press using a fork. This would seal the edges really well, so it's very important to press using a fork. You may fry these raviolis right away, but I'm going to coat these. So first dip in the batter, and then with some cornflakes or breadcrumbs. Cornflakes would add more crunch compared to breadcrumbs, so if you want less crunch, you can go with breadcrumbs. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the ravioli. I've coated all the ravioli pieces, though I have got some stuffing left and I can make more ravioli, but I'll have to need more dough for that. So going ahead with these, heat some cooking oil and fry the ravioli at medium heat. Do not fry at high flame because the dough inside would remain uncooked and raw. I have fried all the ravioli and these have turned out really nice and crunchy. Let me open one and show you the stuffing. Look at the delicious spinach and cheese stuffing inside. You can serve this snack with your favorite dip. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!